Good morning, y'all. It is Friday. Don't have my watch on. Don't know where my watch is. It's over here. Friday, September 20th, 7:59 in the morning. All the rest of the guys are downstairs having breakfast, or at least ordering their breakfasts. Roxas just went down a couple minutes ago. I want to go down and see what they're doing. I usually don't eat breakfast. I'll probably skip breakfast. My wallet? Yep, okay. Probably skip breakfast, but always like to go with the homies. But today's the official first day of the whole TwitchCon thing. Yesterday was like the pre-TwitchCon, where we were able to get our badges, but you couldn't really go into the event or see anything, do anything other than get your badges.
Inside is like a postcard, like a little card. And there's an event going on Sunday. The address, and then you have to be wearing the beanie to get in. Yeah, so here's a little card that's inside of it. So you have to be wearing the beanie to get into the event. So Sunday, we might have a party to go hang out at. I'm not sure.
My camera is in the SUV with everybody else. They're coming to come pick me up. My backpack, unfortunately, was too big to go into the event, so I had to check it, and we walked all the way down to the car, and I totally forgot I checked my bag because I bought a fanny pack to like put all my camera stuff in and my batteries. So I had to go back and get my bag. So they're coming down right now to the car, and I'm meeting them right here at the exit. How do you pronounce this? Pura? What? The place is called Pura? Kuda. Right. Kuda Sushi is the name?
Revolving sushi.
Kuda Revolving Sushi.
No, it's the same price.
For a better video on this, check out Roxas Roams. I'll link it in the description below. But there's like a little revolving like belt here, and you just grab what you want, and when you're done, you put it down in that little slot behind Roxas's mountain of plate. And it totals up your your price, and then I guess it also has some kind of like point system or something.
You're just gonna look and just beat you in the face. My feet hurt so much. I told you that. Fucking piece of shit.
I think it's right before the doors on the wall.
Yeah! It's on. Which one of you two left-handers put that together? Left-handers. What? That's sick! That's really awesome. That's super cool. That's wild.
Good morning, y'all. It's a very sweaty morning because Roxas and I walked from the hotel to the airport, which I am currently in. I just said goodbye to Roxas. He's in Terminal 1 in that crowd back there somewhere. Today is Monday, the day after the official last day of TwitchCon. We're all headed home. We're all going our separate ways. We're going back to our wives and our girlfriends and our jobs and responsibilities. Back to normal life. So until the next boys trip, I'm gonna miss the homies.